Number 2, industry specific certification. Every industry has its own strict quality needs. For example, IATF 16949 automotive, essential for forged components in the auto industry. AS 9100 aerospace, required for high precision aerospace parts. PED or AD 2000 pressure equipment, important for boilers, valves and pressure equipment. The solution is choose a supplier with certifications relevant to your industry. Now it's your favorite quiz time. Which certification is required for aerospace forging? A. IATF 16949, B. AS 9100, C. ISO 9001. Drop your answer in the comments.